The next company we're looking at is Paylocity, PCTY. You can see that the support and resistance lines shows a sideways trend, so it isn't going upwards. So the bounces aren't going in upwards position, so that would be a no. Higher highs, yes, it has higher highs, but hold on a minute, it doesn't come back here, so that's higher here, so that's a no for higher highs. Is there higher lows? There isn't higher lows because you can see that the lows are lower than previous lows. So that one there and that one there. So this one would be a good stock to jump into following the strategy that we're applying for this. What would the increase be from support to resistance? Looking about 11.5%. Let's jump into the next company.